Okay, good morning everyone. So welcome back to my 6th class, and today I'm going to teach you on the topic phrases. In last class we did what is a clause, types of clause, definition of a clause, and some more examples. So today I'm going to teach you what is a phrase. Clause and phrase are related to each other. So what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words. Okay? And in some of a phrase, for example, I'll give you. So here in an example, a beautiful home is given here. Okay, so this is just a phrase. But this phrase you can see a group of words is there. A beautiful home, it's a group of words. And you don't find no subject and verb combination. This you don't find here. Okay. Next, there is no meaning alone. It doesn't give a complete meaning. It just says a beautiful home. To give a complete meaning, if you add I built a beautiful home, if used in a sentence has a unique meaning. This you find here. When I add I built a beautiful home gives a complete meaning and complete sense. So this is a complete phrase. At first, a beautiful home, it is just a group of words. There you don't find subject nor verb combination, and it doesn't give a complete meaning alone. So to give a complete meaning alone and to give a unique meaning, you have to add a word I built. So when you add I built a beautiful home, this becomes a complete phrase. So I'll give you now the types of phrases. Okay, so now the definition of a phrase is done. Giving you a brief illustration with the help of an example. And now types of phrases, and the types of phrases are based on a parts of speech, and there are how many parts of speech? There are 8 parts of speech. So on the basis of that parts of speech, there are the types of phrases. Number 1 is noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and prepositional phrase. So just remove this phrase, okay, and you can see here parts of speech. Okay, I hope you know what is a noun. It's a naming word. And what's a verb? It's a doing word. What's an adjective? It's an describing word. So likewise, adverb and preposition. So for example, noun example is the name of a person, the name of place, anything else. Okay, like Sita is the name of a person. Verb is a doing word, eating. Okay, adjective means a describing word like beautiful. Okay, and adverb phrase example. Or preposition example on. So these are all the examples, and these are what this parts of speech it defines. So now this phrase is also there are also types of phrase on the basis of parts of speech. Likewise, noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and prepositional phrase. So we will be going accordingly the types of phrases. Okay, so now what is a noun phrase? Noun phrase, it acts like a noun in the sentence. Okay, noun plus other associated words which modifies noun. For example, a woman in the window shouted for help. So in this line, a woman in the window is a noun phrase. Noun phrase. This a woman is a noun. So this noun is being associated with other words which modifies noun. In the window is other associated words. Okay, so this is a noun phrase. Noun phrase, it acts like a noun in the sentence. In this sentence, this word, it acts like a noun, and noun, a woman is a noun plus other associated words which modifies noun is in the window. And when you write this complete sentence, this becomes a woman in the window shouted for help. So a woman in the window, these are the associated word and this is a noun, so this became a noun phrase. Another example. So yeah, I bought a decent black shirt. So a decent black shirt is here. So this is, shirt is a noun and a decent black is other associated words. So this becomes a noun phrase. A decent black shirt becomes a noun phrase. Noun plus other associated words. Okay. So next is a verb phrase. Now what is verb phrase? It is a group of main verb and a helping verb within a sentence. For example, she has finished her work. So here you can see finished is a verb and has is a helping verb. Okay. Group of main verb. These are all the group of main verb and helping verb within a sentence. She has finished her work. This is a complete sentence. So in this sentence you find has. It is a helping word because this has is helping, or it's helping a verb phrase to make a sentence complete. Okay. She has finished her work. So this helping verb is helping the main verb phrase to give a complete meaning to this sentence. She has finished her work. So has is a helping verb and finished is a verb phrase. So another example. Now this is a sentence. You should study for your exam. So in this sentence, this is a helping. This is a helping verb and this is a study is a verb phrase because it's a doing word. Okay, as already I told you, verb in a parts of speech, verb means it's a doing word. So here study, finished, it's doing something. Okay, so this becomes a verb phrase and should becomes a helping verb. You should study for your exam. Group of main verb and helping verb within a sentence. So this is a complete sentence of a verb phrase. So next, number 3 is adjective phrase. What is adjective phrase? One or more words work together to give more information about adjective. Here in example you find more than 2-3 words are here. One or more words work together. I am very happy with his work. Here you find one or more words, isn't it? So adjective phrase modifies noun. So here you can see I am very happy with his work. So yeah, happy is a adjective because it's a describing word. And very is a helping verb. So with the help of this very, this happy, very happy, it gives a complete meaning of an adjective phrase. Next example. So here, see, the cost of the car is way too high. So here, high is a adjective phrase. And way too is a helping verb. Okay? As I told you, adjective in a parts of speech, it is the describing word. a word which helps to describe something. For example, here the cost of the car is way too high, means the cost of the car is very expensive. So your high is an adjective and way too is a helping verb. With the help of this adjective phrase and helping verb, the sentence gives a complete meaning or a complete example for adjective phrase. Okay, so number 4 point is adverb phrase. What is adverb phrase? Adverb phrase is one or more words work together to give a complete information about an adverb. And this adverb phrase, it modifies a verb. So in example you find they ran really fast. So this fast becomes an adverb phrase and really is a okay. They ran really fast. They ran really. You can simply write they ran fast. This also gives a complete meaning. Okay. But a word really is added here because this word is added just to provide more information. Here you can see one or more words work together to give complete information about an adverb. Okay. To give complete information about an adverb. So that's why a really word is added here to provide a complete meaning or complete information regarding an adverb phrase, that is fast. They ran really fast. So your fast is an adverb word. So really becomes a word providing more information. Next example. Okay, so here in this sentence, he drank the milkshake much quicker. So obviously this is a quicker word, is an adverb word. So much, it's not required, but it's added to give a complete or to provide a complete information. He drank the milkshake much quicker. So your much is a word which is providing complete information and quicker is a adverb phrase. Okay, one or more words work together. All these words are given here which is working together to give a complete information about an adverb. An adverb phrase modifies a verb. So here you can see an example, and through example it's very clear that this really is a word which has been added to give a extra information to make a sentence complete with the help of an adverb phrase. Okay, now the last phrase is there, that's prepositional phrase. This prepositional phrase is one or more words work together to give information about preposition. Like in a parts of speech, preposition words are by, on, in, etc. Okay. So to give an information about preposition, it informs about the location, about the condition, about the possession and etc. So for example, he is sleeping on the carpet. So in this sentence, I hope you can understand, you can see a prepositional word, that is on. Okay, so this on is a prepositional word, and the carpet after this preposition gives a complete meaning or complete information, and this becomes a prepositional phrase. Next example. He always speaks in loud voice. So your word in is a preposition, and after this preposition loud voice is there. Another two group of words which gives a complete meaning, and this becomes a prepositional phrase. Okay, I hope you all understood different types of phrases, the definition of a phrase with the help of an example. So here this is the last phrase that we did today. the definition of what is a phrase, the definition of a phrase, example of a phrase, and types of phrase. Along with the types of phrase, the definition of a phrases, and along with its example. Hope it will help you a lot. And with this, we end up our today's class. Next class, I will start with the new another topic. Thank you.